Hi guys, so I just wanted to share some of my what I'm calling my alien skin papers. These were actually a mistake. The other day I put some coffee dyed papers out on the grass to dry because I dry my papers out on the out in the sun, not in the oven. And of course when I put them out in the sun, it was a nice sunny day, and they were all laid out on the grass, and within like half an hour these big black storm clouds came over and it started sprinkling. And at first I thought, okay, I'll just leave them and maybe it'll stop. But of course it got heavier, so I had to go and pile all the papers up into one big stack. And I had coffee dyed some plain white photocopy paper, some yellow and some blue photocopy paper. And when I stacked them all up together, I thought I'll just leave them there in the pile for a while and maybe it'll stop raining and I can just shove them back out to dry, but it didn't. So I just stacked them and I popped it in the oven just on really low to dry out. And they got some really weird results. So before I started using them, I thought I would just show you. Now these are the plain white photocopy paper, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but all the colours have mixed, the blue, the yellow and the white, and they've given it this really strange colour and pattern, kind of like, it's kind of reptilian, and it's kind of alien. It's like alien skin, but this has a yellowish background. I thought I'd just show you a few. So like, of course some of them, when they touched the tray in the oven, they got burnt and a few got stuck, but that's okay, I'll trim that off. But look at the pattern that they came out. They're so awesome. I love them. So yeah, this was a mistake, but it was a really nice mistake. Look at this one. That's just so awesome. I love that one. And this one, I don't know why they kind of went dotty. I don't know if it was the raindrops still sitting on them than when I stacked it. The coffee pooled or something, but really strange. This one looks like those are creases, but they're actually not. They're just lines. So this one got some blue. So this is actually a white page, but it picked up all the blue because the blue photocopy paper ran. Look at this one. This is awesome. I love this one. And this one actually, I don't know if you can see on camera, but kind of went pinkish. Some pinkish hues. Look at that. So awesome. So I don't know what I'll do with these papers because they're very strange. But I had been planning a dragon's journal, and I thought these might be good for, you know, papers in the dragon journal because they kind of look like dragon skin. Look at that one. That's awesome. And I guarantee if I tried to replicate this, I wouldn't be able to do it. Look at that. That is so awesome. I love that. So yeah, I just thought I'd share these because I was going to use a few in a journal that I'm making today, and I thought before I use them up, I'll give you a quick sneaky peek at my coffee dyed paper fail with actually some really nice results. This one's really pretty. This picked up some blue and yellow. It's so awesome. So those were the plain white photocopy papers, and then these were the yellow ones, and these actually came up awesome. Look at that. So pretty. It's kind of like marbled. Isn't that awesome? But I love how they've come up. They're actually a bit brighter in real life than is showing on camera. Like this yellow is quite vibrant. Look at that. That's so awesome. I love this page. Oh, I wish you could see the proper yellow. I don't know why it's not coming up on camera, but this is a really bright yellow with strange blue patterns. This one is definitely going in the Dragon's Journal. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? This might be good in like a mushroom journal as well, because it kind of has that mushroom dotty pattern. Look at this one. This one's so awesome. Anyway, I just love them. The blue ones came up really strange. This one's not too bad. I like this one. This has got heaps of yellow on it. It's a lot brighter in real life. But yeah, the rest came up. I don't know why they came up so reptilian, the blue ones. Really strange. That one's nice. That's pretty. This one looks a bit pink. I don't know where the pink colour's coming from. But look at this one. So strange. I don't know what I'll do with these blue ones. Look at that. But I'll think of something. Look, this one is awesome. Looks like amoebas. Which I love, by the way. They're so cute. Look at that. Anyway, that's it. Thought I'll just show you my weird alien skin papers. This one's so cool. Okay, that's it. Just thought I'd show you those before I start using them up. And yeah, don't be worried if little projects don't go right, because sometimes you get really nice results. I would never have intentionally made these, but I love them, especially these yellow ones. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.